So I got hired to clean this sidewalk. As you can see, it's a little dirty. What I'm going to do is get some bleach on it, run the surface cleaner, and we'll see how much better it gets. As you can see, there's some streaks right there. See really bad spots like this, just hit it up with the bleach, make it a lot better. It's pretty much all I'm doing is just spraying this with about a 4% bleach solution, making it look a whole lot better. Alrighty, so as you can see, it's looking cleaner, but there's still a whole bunch of dirt that needs to be washed away. So that's the next step, is getting the edges, getting anything I missed, and just blowing away all the dirt. And then I'm going to start on that side of the sidewalk, and then finally we're going to do a post-chemical treat. Alrighty, so as you can see, the sidewalk's definitely looking better compared to what it was with all those streaks. But I'm still going to do a post-chemical treat, maybe another one when the water dries a little bit more and I can see more of what I'm working with. So far it's looking good. Alrighty, so you can see the difference of the before and the after, and the sidewalk will look even better when it's fully dried.